Guys, welcome back to Drift Viral. Just want to show you guys something real quick. I don't know if you guys could see that one of the levels of the headlights is a little bit lower than the other. The left side is a little bit lower than the right. I notice it a lot when I'm driving. So we're gonna change that. This is a 2010 Bmw 90. I don't know if over here you can see. This is the leveler. And I just have obviously a star head screwdriver. I believe you could use a 6mm hex. And if you turn it to the right, I believe it goes down. If you turn it to the left, it should go up. But what we're gonna try to do is try to get this side over here just about level to this side. All right, so we're gonna turn over to the left. Put this in here. This mine is right here. I'm gonna see if I can turn to the left and hopefully to adjust it. It's not going up. Let me see if I'm in. Okay, now I'm on it. Let me just try again. Oh, it's going down to the right. Oh, sorry, to the left. You see, I don't know if you see it going up. I see it going up on my end. Still raising it a little bit more. Right. I'm guessing right about there. Yes, you see how it's a little bit more level now. A little bit, not as much, but a little bit. How this side over here and this side over there. See this corner here and this corner there. Maybe do a little, raise it up a little bit more. Sorry, but I'm doing this at night. I decided to do this because it's starting to become a pain for me. So again, over here, and we're gonna try to raise it up a little bit more. Nope, the other way. And right about there. So that's pretty much it. You know, if you need to raise your headlight or keep them level, it should be about here, right? And then on this side, it's the same thing. There you go, it's away on this side. And that's it. All right, short, quick video, guys. Anything, if you have any questions about anything, or want me to help you with anything, just hit me up in the DM or in the comment section, and I'll reach out to you. All right, Drift Virals, we out.